Hello guys, today we're going to be taking a look at what Stock Informant has for us today. And so what the Stock Informant is an AI news aggregator made on make.com. And I'm going to have a tutorial on this here in the future, or it might get uploaded before this. So yeah, let's get started. So to start off, we have market surges as Nvidia and other tech giants exceeded earning expectations by the Stock Informant. In a week marked by strong earning reports and cautious market sentiment, the S&P 500 extended its winning streak, gaining 0.5% to close at $5,948.71 on November 21st, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.1%. The Nasdaq Composite also saw an increase, recovering from an early dip in trading. So overall, pretty good news here. Well, we saw significant gains in the AI sector, specifically with Nvidia. Mostly good news. Only thing is political climate and all that, but that's always going to be a problem. So up next we have Nvidia's earning reports dominates headlines. Nvidia's third quarter earning report was a significant highlight, with the company surpassing analyst expectations. Nvidia reported a record revenue of $35.08 billion, nearly doubling from the same period last year, and net income of $19.31 billion, more than doubling year over year. Data center revenue, a key metric for Nvidia's AI ambitions, more than doubled to a record $30.8 billion. Despite exceeding expectations, Nvidia's shares fell slightly in extended trading, reflecting high investor expectations. CEO Jensen Huang highlighted the robust demand for Nvidia's AI solutions, stating, "The age of AI is in full swing, propelling a global shift to Nvidia computing." So data center revenue is basically what Nvidia made from data centers, which are basically just big computer facilities that power cloud computing. This is basically saying that Nvidia shares fell slightly outside of regular market hours. This isn't really anything to be concerned about. It's kind of what you would expect when they came out with their how much they made, the earnings report. Seeing as investors thought it was pretty high, a couple of them decided to pull out just because that's kind of what happens when you start to go rapidly. It's just kind of what you'd expect, or at least that's how I understood it, but you could definitely leave your own thoughts in the comments. Let me know if I'm wrong. So up next we have other notable earning reports. In addition to Nvidia, other companies delivered impressive earnings. Snowflake shares soared nearly 30% after the company reported better than expected earnings and boosted its revenue outlook. Palo Alto Networks saw a 2% increase in its shares following strong quarterly results and the announcement of a 2-for-1 stock split. Walmart shares also hit a new all-time high after reporting quarterly results and that topped analyst expectations. So Snowflake here provides cloud-based storage as well as analysis services. So definitely good news for Snowflake here. It's definitely something you could look into if you want to invest into it in the future. Just from what I've heard, it's whether or not it will become profitable is still kind of debatable. So here we have Palo Alto Networks, which I believe is a cybersecurity company. Basically a 2-for-1 split. Instead of it being $100 for one stock, it's $50 for two stocks. So anybody that had owned a $100 stock previously now owns two $50 stocks. Pretty much the same for the company and anybody that's invested into it. Only difference is that now the stock is more affordable to smaller investors. And so seeing as one stock is more affordable, and smaller investors start buying into that stock, which increases its value. And then we have Walmart shares. Pretty good news for Walmart here. So, all right. So up next we have market trends and sector performance. Expert analysis indicates that while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq have seen gains, geopolitical tensions and mixed corporate reports keep investors cautious. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley forecast the S&P 500 could hit 6,500 by the end of the year. The financials and energy sector have been positive performers, while healthcare and technology have shown declines. So geopolitical tensions referring to the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, conflicts in the Middle East, conflicts between US and China. You're also just seeing a lot of nationalism across various countries. People really love their countries. And that being said, they don't really trust other countries. That's why you have these geopolitical tensions. Yeah, it's just a very oversimplified explanation here. All right, so up next we have Blackwell AI chip, a catalyst for growth or challenges. NVIDIA's Blackwell AI chip, expected to be a significant driver of future growth, remains in focus. Despite production delays and reports of overheating issues, the market has been optimistic about its potential. The chip is projected to reduce operating costs and power consumption by up to 25 times when using large language models. However, supply constraints could limit near-term upside, with mass production now expected to start in December. So, not much else to say here. If you have any thoughts on this, let me know. Go ahead and comment. So, overall, pretty interesting stuff. All right, so up next we have economic and geopolitical landscape. Geopolitical tensions, including incidents between Ukraine and Russia, have weighed on market sentiment. However, markets have shown resilience as investors adjust to the global landscapes. The yield on 10-year treasuries, which has been rising, was slightly down to 4.39%, indicating scaled back expectations for aggressive federal rate cuts. So, Federal Reserve rate cuts still basically just means that it cut back on its benchmark interest rates. And the reason why they do this is because they want to kind of balance inflation, lower inflation, and also lower unemployment. So, I mean, yeah, just let me know your thoughts on this in the comments. Pretty interesting stuff here. And finally, here we have forward-looking outlook. As the market navigates through the complexities of geopolitical tensions, inflation, and interest rate changes, the focus remains on the jobs market and corporate earnings. NVIDIA's strong performance, coupled with the positive outlooks from other tech giants, suggests a robust tech sector. However, investors are advised to remain cautious due to the high valuations and the potential volatility, especially with the upcoming US election outcomes and potential policy changes on the horizon. In summary, the recent earnings season has provided a boost to the market, but ongoing geopolitical and economic factors will continue to influence market stability. As investors look forward, they will be closely watching for updates on NVIDIA's Blackwell AI chip and other key corporate announcements that could shape the future trajectory of the tech sector. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If anyone's interested in looking at these sources, I'm going to go ahead and have them in the description of this video. Definitely let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about the AI? This is all AI generated, so definitely let me know about that as well. If you have any suggestions on what I could talk about next, what I could remove, let me know. And if you want to watch the video on me posting a tutorial on how to create this, I'll go ahead and upload it pretty soon. You can go ahead and watch that. And so, I mean, yeah. Basically what this is that it'll take various news sources, put them on the Google Docs. We also got Airtables here. Here we got an example. It basically puts it on like in the Sheets format. Yeah, I mean, the cool thing about this is that you can schedule it. You can basically have one every day. If anyone is interested in me creating one of these products for you, let me know. I'll definitely cater this towards what you're most interested in. So yeah, stay informed, guys.